babaw ka pala kumusta kayo po? So kung ini keng Sindalan, keng kilubay na nini apining Glamary nail, face and nail salon. Glamary face and nail salon spa. So it's a girly shop. Matingo nga be. Dila Jan, Carlene, and Daryl join me this pampering day. I hope it's gonna be a great experience. So tara! Louis. Sabi nito.
Real siya, anti-inflammatory. It's a luscious chocolate.
Pupong mayaman muna. Something ko kaya ka rin. Tingin ko pa kaya chance something ka rin. So, habang naghihintay kami ng turn namin, pagdating namin dito, medyo maraming tao. I think I'm gonna be having a facial. It's gonna be my first time. And these two girls are having their nails done. Yan. So si Carly and si Daryl. Ikaw, what are you gonna do?
Pumipili pa.
Gusto niyo may difference pa na yun sa inyo? Para ma-experience yung difference pa na.
So, naka-pants kami?
Hindi, may shorts. May shorts.
Okay. Sige.
Girls ko.
Libre shorts pa.
Ano?
Amazing.
Grabe naman. Sasama ka lang, diba? Makaka-food spa ka pa. Yan ang power ng... Ay! Yan ang...
Great life.
Power ng great life.
Yeah. You like that? I can share.
Yan. So, nauna na sa amin si Carly. Anong service sa'yo, ma'am?
Food spa. Yung nila, signature... Ano nga yung food spa? Food spa.
Signature food
Nakita ko
spa.
yung pangalan with the rose petals.
With rose petals.
Makita niyo mamaya. May rose petals.
Ito pong rose petal food soap. Antibacterial siya, anti-inflammatory, moisturizing siya. Meron din siyang antioxidant benefits. Kasi yung rose po kasi talaga, yung maraming benefits talaga. Kaya i-incorporate namin siya sa food soap namin.
Hindi ka nakikilite.
Tinitiis ko lang.
Hindi, ibig sabihin nun, makapal yung kalyo pag di ka nakikilite.
Akin nun.
Joke lang.
Kiniklit pala ako.
I changed my mind. Ayun, okay. So, on this side naman, Daryl is having her feet done. So, ano naman sa'yo, Daryl?
It's a luscious chocolate with rose petal. Tama ba, ma'am?
Sarap naman nun.
Yeah.
Luxurious chocolate. Therapeutic and aromatic spa experience. So, yan, may mga rose petals din tayo dyan. Okay. Enjoy, Dar. Dar. Kung masisilip kayong gulod, Dar. Okay, so kami naman, I'll be having a facial service. At si, ma'am, anong pangalan mo?
Giselle po.
Ma'am Giselle, she will be taking care of me. Yan, no?
Sige, sir. Pahiga na lang. Sir, diamond peel with seaweed mask. Antioxidant. Diamond peel.
With seaweed.
With seaweed mask. Antioxidant siya, sir.
Seaweed mask. Okay.
Inhale.
I would like to encourage yung mga guys out there, mga dad. Di lang yung mga wife natin or yung mga significant others natin, yung mga nagpapa-facial, di ba? So tayo medyo papogi tayo pag minsan. Papogi naman tayo pag minsan. Sige po.
So, ilagyan ka ng towel, sir. Para
Okay.
hindi mabasa.
Okay.
Potang kayan dala sila bandala, sir. Malalam. Kailangan ko pa yung words na surface mo.
Oo. Talaga. Marakal kumanta. Last month.
Ayan, dakal.
Rin kay lalang mata.
Dadakal na rin, sir.
Signs of aging na rin. Alright. Antibacterial. Alright.
Okay mo, sir.
Ayos lang.
Sabihin na sir pag may lahat. Sir.
Yes, ma'am. Wow, wait guys. So, bala mo bayo yung hisising lupa ko.
Sir, that's good. Sir.
Ay, ba't?
May nagwan that's good.
Kita niya papagit.
Sir, kaya ba good?
Alright, thank you.
Ako naman susunod magpapa-puts pa. Pero first condition daw, kailangan naka-shorts ka. So since naka-pants ako, magpapalit muna ako, okay? Dito ako ngayon sa CR. Nagpalit ako ng shorts. So recommended sa mga lalaki na magpapa-service dito sa Glamary. It's either naka-shorts kayo para pag nagpa-puts pa, hindi na kayo magpapalit, okay? So yan, nakapagpalit na ako shorts. So, naka-shorts na ako. Pwede na ako magpa-service. So, tara! Happiness! Ikaw na.
That's good. Nag-absorb yung moisture.
Okay, so this is one of the best days of my life, man. You know what I'm saying? Actually, in hesitations ko ka rin facial spa or nail salon is parang ka na ako masyado lang girly. Medyo girly la, parang ka na ako mga yan. Pero what I felt right now is sabi ko pa one of the best days of my life. So probably para ali ka ma-intimidate, bring along your friends, your significant others. Like for me, siguro I can bring my wife here. Yeah, treat yourself, pamper yourself sometimes.
Sexy! Sexy shorts!
So yung ginagawa po niya kay Sir is foot reflex.
Okay.
So merong mga health benefits yung foot reflex natin.
Yes, ma'am.
It helps to yung blood pressure natin to control yung blood circulation
Blood
natin.
circulation usually. Yeah.
Oo, tapos kung meron kayong headache or yung migraine, so nakakatulong din siya.
O ito, dakal salamat po Glamary for inviting us. Nga pala, nung munta ko kay ni, rin akit yun yung mga lagunga rin ni Ma'am Ann and Ma'am Joy. So, Ma'am, invite tala po.
Good day everyone.
Yes.
So we're inviting everyone to come here in Glamary para po ma-experience nyo ma-pamper, ma-relax. We have everything you need. We have facial, nail services, wax services, foot spa, hand spa, and everything.
Everything na talagang magpa-kilig ka rin kay girls.
Opo, opo. Not only girls, but also
Yeah,
for-
look at me, oh.
For men
Diba?
po. For men po. So,
Okay.
men and women can come. So we're inviting everyone po. Kapampangan po, taga San Fernando, Angeles, anywhere po dito sa
Fernando.
Taga-Bulacan, Mama Pambatan, invite mo na natin.
Pwede rin.
Pwede rin.
Pwede kami po taga-Tarlac, rin po kayo.
Florida.
So, yun. We're inviting everyone po.
Alright, dakal salamat po. Bye.
Thank you.
Hello. Yun, so on na tayo. Okay, so once again, thank you so much, Glamary, for inviting us. How was your experience? Kumusta?
Great!
Ako sarap
Ang
ng
ganda, galing. Ang nakaka-relax.
Nakaka-relax.
You should guys try visit Glamary.
Located at Pinmara Square. So this is at Sindalan along McArthur Highway. Ang pinaka-landmark dito, harap siya ng Jumbo General Sindalan. Okay. So how was your experience?
Very nice, very great. And nag-offer din sila ng pamparelax and pampanggalan ng nails and face. Pwede rin kayong mag-bridal shower dito.
Oo
And
nga, yeah.
Kung ano mga events na gusto nyo.
Correct. So, yeah, let's mention that. So, meron sila ditong parang consumable. So, you can actually hold your parang mga bridal showers or mga birthday kikay mita. Gusto kong sabihin dito na you can also flatter a girl, experience na ganito, not just food, not just flowers. So, if you allow them to experience yung pampering, make them feel beautiful.
Actually, kahit yung mga boyfriends mo, magugustuhan dito.
Yeah,
It's
pang
a
babae,
perfect
for
bonding
everyone.
couples and everyone, of course.
Okay. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys!